Press the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon to never miss another video. So let's begin.
By now, you would have probably guessed what I'm here to reveal today. In case you still haven't, then here it is, the Mi Band 3 from India's #1 wearable brand. At Xiaomi, we hear our fans. So with all the feedback and suggestions that you guys gave us, we've been able to include 30 amazing features in the Mi Band 3. Before I talk about all these great features, let's take a look at what's inside the super sleek box. First up, there's the capsule itself, which I'll keep aside for a moment, and let's see what else is there inside the box. Here's the strap, which is super light and very smooth. Apart from that, there is the user manual and the charging cable. Here is the Mi Band 3 capsule, which comes with a 0.78-inch OLED touchscreen display with a resolution of 128x80 pixels. Inside, it has a 110 mAh battery, which on a single charge should take you up to 20 days, which is quite amazing. I'm sure you're super excited to know more about what this amazing band can do. So let's take a quick look at its functionalities. On swiping left, Mi Band 3 shows you the distance, calories burned and battery. Swiping up shows you the heart rate. And guess what? It's water resistant up to 50 meters. As you can see, it's still working just fine. One of the most useful upgrades on the Mi Band 3 is that you can now check WhatsApp, Instagram and SMS notifications right on your wrist. Not just that, it now even has a stopwatch, which fitness enthusiasts like me are going to be very excited about. Apart from these amazing features, Mi Band 3 also comes with idle alert, find your phone, vibrating alarm clock, call notifications and many more. We are super excited to have launched the Power Pack Mi Band 3 here in India for just ₹1,999. Tell us how you like the product and we'd love to hear from you. So go ahead and move with me.
Xiaomi.